Pasok tayo dito mga kapatid. Bagong bukas na Kroger dito malapit sa area namin. Dito sa Maybela Road. Yan, bagong Kroger. Pasukin natin bago. Ngayon lang nag-open eh. New Kroger. Dami din no. Dahil bibisita. Tignan natin yung ano bibili natin sa loob. Interview nila yun yung manager. Oh, sushi. Pasok pa tayo dito. Yan o. Maluwang guys. Maluwang. Yan. Great. Great. Oh, it's nice and comfortable shopping here. See. Bagong bukas. Maluwang oh. Tingin ka. Oo nga tayo dito. Blueberry. Tama ito. Yan. Maraming variety oh. Come and visit Kroger, newly open here in Villa Road. Ayos. Hingi tayo ng korito. We'll take it. Yeah, we'll try it.
It's a cranberry cheese from England with turkey and toast.
Okay. Thank you.
Sample cookies?
Yeah, our sample. Okay. Thank you very much. Yung mga sample, bagong bukas kasi. Luwang oh. It's huge. Oh, mga deli nila. Oh, what's that? What's this?
This one is our pork and pineapple. The other one is our maple and blueberry.
Oh, I'll taste this one, maple.
There you are.
Thank you. Come and visit Kroger. It's newly open here. Ang daming sample. Ang daming sample mga kapatid. Uy. Oh. Ano? Ito ano pa nila. Ang dami oh. Yun. Maluwang. So, ito. Lang doon. Ikot-ikot tayo mga kapatid si Maluwang. Bisitahin nyo pa ito, Kroger. Only open. Bagong bukas lang. It's newly open. Hello.
Free cereal for you.
Oh, free cereal.
Yeah, pick your favorite.
That's only me, this one violet.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Ang linis, ang gandang pagkakaayos. See? Panang arrangement nila. It's good. It's well and newly organized. It's good. It's great. Yeah.
I know.
And, ito. Visit this one, this area. Yung Christmas con na ito. Christmas stuff nila. Oh. Yan. Ito yung favorite natin. Oh. Yan. Ito po yung mga favorite natin yan. Mga chocolate. Yan. Hello. Luang huge. This one. Yan po. Ang beauty product nila dito. Mga frozen na ito. Yan. Yung mga beauty and wellness. Yan po area. Area. Okay, hanggang dito na lamang mga kapatid. God bless you all. Come and visit Kroger here in Villa Road. It's newly and well organized. God bless.